Okay, I'm getting there. So I can now, after a lot of work, I can now do this. I can create a sampler block and then shut down, and then it crashes on exit. Okay, I thought it was not crashing on exit, but apparently it is. So what's happening here? Ah, there was problems with. I think I did see this actually. Yes. I didn't solve this. I thought I did. Alright, let's put this assert back in then. There's a problem with my data structure here. This is going to cause a bunch of things to rebuild. I've 99% finished the plugin API refactor, or at least enough of it to implement these two plugins. All of the other plugins I still need to port over to the new API. Manipulation is not quite set up there yet. I need to sort out the generation of manipulator targets. This is done. Oh, I didn't sort this out yet, did I? I don't think so. So I need to write to these fields. And then, yeah, this will... I need to implement this function in some way. Yeah, but I'll look at this crash first. Wait, I thought I fixed... I'm pretty sure I fixed this. Didn't I fix this? Or did I fix something else? I fixed something else in this library. Oh, that was the thing that I fixed. Okay. Try to figure out what's going wrong here, and then well, I guess I should just return if size is 0. But I want to know why I'm calling clear at all if size is 0. Oh no, that's valid. This is okay. That's completely valid to call clear when size is 0. It should just do nothing. Do it. No, hold on. Size is not 0, that's the point. Oh right, I should put the assert. This is the, yeah. Because I'm getting an underflow. So I'm doing an arrays at some point when there's nothing in this vector. So let's see what that's happening. I remember now. Yeah, I started looking at this last night and then got sidetracked to 100 other things. So let's put some music on. Where will we put on? That'll do. Nope. Whoops. What am I doing? That's not the right playlist. Oh, here we go. That's good compiling music. Aren't template classes cool? You add one line and the entire code base has to rebuild. This is quite a fundamental type actually. It's kind of like I changed the vector header or something. That's why everything had to rebuild. This is used by a bunch of stuff. Okay, show me what's happening now. I do that, and then I close. Oh. That's annoying. It's not consistent. Oh! What the hell is this? This is weird. What's happening? Count 64. No, we didn't get that far. What's wrong? I have a horrible feeling that I have to do a clean build. This is clearly invalid. And it's coming from here. No, it's not. It's coming from here. This is completely... Okay, something's going on with the lifetime of these plugin instances. Clearly. So this is the process of baking, where it's created an instance of a plugin with one unit. Unit 4. Which makes sense. It would be 0, 1, 2, 3 and then 4. And now what's happening? Am I reading too far? Index 4. Am I reading too far into this? Size 9. Don't know how much the debugger can show me here. This is a bit sketch. Hmm. It's not going to show me much, is it? Hold on now. I'm looking at the wrong thing. So it goes into here and then here. Index for entities unit. Again. 9. Four. Block positions. Well, this looks valid. Oh right, I'm in the process of crashing, so I can't really... Huh. Interesting. What's wrong here? Oh, the index. There's an index map involved. I forgot about that. So it's mapping 4 to what? 4 to 4. No, don't really get it. Let's see what the problem is here. This looks fine to me. Three 722 304. Very interesting. Alright, I'm gonna do a rebuild because I don't like this at all. I don't like the look of it. If it's a problem with this data structure, then I'll try to extend. If I figure out what the bug is, then I'll try to extend this little test suite that I have here. I try to like capture every permutation of thing that you can do in this one giant test. Okay, I'm just gonna look at my phone while it compiles. Why is my phone dinging? Thought I turned that off. Okay. Let's see what happens. No crash. No crash. Keep going, because I'm not confident. It might have just been a build issue and I just needed to do a clean build. Nope. Not at all. So, what's going on here? I'm erasing. Three from this empty thing. Oh, yes. I understand what's going on. So at some point I've called clear. Without updating this, I guess. Clear. Oh yeah, it's happening right here. I got you. Yeah. Of course. So unit vec in instance unit vec. Hold on, there should be, if I already called terminate, which maybe I didn't. Well, I must have done if clear was called. Then why is it even? Oh, because I'm just iterating through these regardless of. Okay. This is a problem with this little library that I made. I'm iterating through these gravestones basically, but I don't have gravestones. Visual Studio is like failing to bring me to the code, but yeah. So what's the correct way to do this then? Oh, I should call is valid. I suppose. I mean, this should if terminate's already been called, then we shouldn't even be calling destroy instance. So I guess it's a problem on the client, to be honest. So at some point, one, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then terminate gets called, which clears these. Which literally just sets the size to 0, I think. Again, Visual Studio's not going to take me to the code, but... Oh, and it okay. Essentially just sets the size to 0. Let me call terminate again, because there's 2 plugins, right? Okay, and then we didn't crash. It's gonna crash if it calls destroy instance after terminate, which apparently doesn't always happen. Oops. Terminate. I don't know. I don't know. It's not crashing now because it's not doing the thing that would potentially cause a crash. Maybe I have to be faster. It's one of those Heisenberg bugs. A quantum bug that changes when you observe it. I mean, clearly what's happened is... Wait, size is what? Yeah. Oh, terminate hasn't been called yet. I was wrong about what was going on. So this is theoretically a valid index for this instance. 0, which is pointing to 2. Which has got 4 units. And the units maybe don't exist right now. Destroy instance. Unit. Size 0. Oh, it's fascinating stuff. I don't really get what's going on here. That doesn't really make sense. So units are never erased unless terminators... Units are erased if an instance is erased or if terminate is called. So an instance must have been erased, which caused the units to be erased. And it's pointing at slot 2. Should be this one. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna have to do some printf debugging. So, destroy instance. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this on another monitor. So let's see what's going on here. Does it crash? No. Go again. I'll just keep doing this until it crashes. I think I have to be fast for some reason. No, it doesn't make a difference. Keep going until it crashes. Okay. So destroy instance of 1. Yeah, I need more printing. And I'll fix this formatting as well. Okay. What's wrong with this? Oops. Okay. I'm also going to, oh no, that's fine. Come on, crash. Or what asserts, I mean. It's not happening now because I added prints. The more debugging information you add, the less likely the bug is to occur. It's going to be something really obvious once I spot it. I could tell it's one of those bugs. There we go. Okay. So, what's the situation? We make an instance. We add 4 units to instance 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Make an instance 1, add a unit 4. So far, so good. Make instance 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Destroy instance 1, which erases unit 4. That makes sense. Make instance 1, add unit 4. That's fine, because it's reusing these indices, which is possibly related to the issue here. I don't know yet. Destroy instance 1. It erased unit 4 twice, which is wrong. I know what's going on. I know what's going on. Do I? No, I don't. Actually, I don't know what's going on. So destroy instance, erase instance 4 twice. I don't know why that happened. Erased unit 4 twice. Okay, so that's strange. Then because 1, add unit 1, destroy instance 1, erase. Okay, this doesn't make sense. Destroy instance 1 and then it's erasing 0, 1, 2, 3. That doesn't make sense at all. So possibly the index map's getting fucked up. And my test suite is not catching it. That might be what's happening here. This is the most perplexing bit. It's more perplexing than this bit. So I'm going to try and catch that as it happens.
Que ela regresse, porque eu não posso mais sofrer. Chega de saudade, a realidade é que sem ela não há paz, não há beleza, é só tristeza e a melancolia que não sai de mim, não sai de mim, não sai.
Oh.
Se ela voltar, que coisa linda.
It happened again, look.
Coisa louca, coisa menos peixinhos
Right.
do que os beijinhos que eu darei na sua boca.
I mean, this doesn't really really give me any more information because I already knew this was happening. I guess I have a cool stack. So it's happening when this instance is being destroyed.
Assim, calado assim, abraços e beijinhos e carinhos sem ter fim, que é pra acabar
At the end of this,
de viver longe de mim. Vai minha tristeza
instance 1 is pointing to 2. 2. Yeah, it has the same unit twice. That's kind of bizarre. Hold on. What? I don't know what's going on here.
Que não sai de mim, não sai de mim, não sai.
Push back.
Mas se ela
This is the unit index that I create. And I push it back onto this
que coisa louca,
units vector.
pois há menos peixinhos a nadar no mar do que os beijinhos que eu daria
I should be able to see it happening.
dentro dos meus braços.
Make instance 1. Add unit 4. Destroy instance 1. Erase unit 4.
Apertado assim, colado assim, calado assim,
Oh, but it's not erased from...
sem ter fim.
No, it is. It is.
Negócio de viver.
Erase unit 4.
Não quero mais esse negócio de você viver assim. Vamos deixar desse negócio de você viver sem mim.
When I add
There was one room in her house that was always kept locked.
here,
The garage.
I know what's going on. I know what's... No, I don't. No, I don't. Hold on. This is weird, actually. I don't know what's going on. Hold on, let me look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I want to break when the same instance index is generated twice. So this is, let me put this on my other monitor. So that's 0. So this is about to generate the same index, I think. So it just destroyed index 1. It's about to generate. And it says, I already have a free index at index 1. So it should call reset
Giant piranha fish, some obscene phallic symbol, and
like this.
little rivers of anticipation ran down my inseam as I kicked those 500 Italian horses into life. And left reality behind me. 50, 60, 70 miles an hour.
On index 1.
Belt of my trousers as
Is that the wrong one? Yeah, it is. It's the wrong... I get it. There we go. I wasn't mapping, so there's like a public index and a private index, and I wasn't mapping to the private index. That makes sense. Yep, that's what it was. And that probably accounts for the other weirdness that was going on. Okay, I'm so confident in this fix that I'm gonna undo all of this debugging stuff. Right, how can I account for that in the test? This should actually do it, honestly. We already did this. Let's try.
Eins. Guten Tag.
Oh, Hold on.
Wie geht es Ihnen? Gut.
Yeah, let's do it like this.
Danke, es geht. Wohnen Sie in München? Ja, und Sie? Was machen Sie? Ich fliege heute nach Hamburg. Dann fahre ich nach Haus. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen, Herr Schmidt. Lektion 1. Bitte antworten Sie mit Nein. Nein, ich gehe nicht nach Hause. Nein, ich
Okay, that should catch it.
Lektion 2. Nein, ich gehe nicht nach Hause. Ist Herr Hartmann da?
Nein, Direktor Hartmann ist nicht hier. Er ist verreist. Montag ist er zurück.
Und Frau Hartmann?
Sie ist leider auch nicht da.
Und wer ist bitte am Apparat?
Hier ist Fräulein Klein. Ich bin hier Sekretärin.
I can get rid of this.
Auf Wiederhören, Fräulein Klein.
Auf Wiederhören.
Der Reise hier? Guten Tag.
What was I doing before this? Before I got sidetracked by the crash and exit? This is some of what I did this morning. Oh, the wave. Oh, yeah, I fixed the waveform stuff. So I wasn't doing anything. I was like deciding what to do. So oops. This thing to do. This is done. Should be done. Oh yeah, this thing. Inv. Add inv. Where's all that set up? Here we go. Create is the word that I was looking for. So I need to set the parameter if there is one. POID. I don't know what's going on here. Create env. Here we go.
Analogique semi-modulaire. Donc il y a deux oscillateurs.
Alright, I'm going to pass an extra parameter here, and here, and here, I think. Int slider, slider. Oh, that's not what I want. I want the param env. Ew. Which I'm already passing in. Am I? No. Param env. Can I do that? Okay. So go like this, and like this, and like this. Then I can get the env spec, I think, from this. And then I go like this. And then I can go like this, which is the main thing I was trying to achieve here. It's just to write that field. Okay. Yes. That's fine. Okay, that's good. What else do I need to do? Just this now, okay. So what do I do here? Add to manipulate a target. So do I have some kind of, yeah, find empty this UID. If it doesn't exist, then create it now. Like that. And then what even is this? Type UID and then vector of parameters. Okay. Okay, there we go. So make a note of that thing I fixed. Actually, no, that wouldn't go here. It would go in here. If everything's working now, which it probably won't be, I need to test manipulators. But if manipulators are all working now, then I'll go back to porting the plugins to the new API, which is what I'm really looking forward to be honest. Oh, what's going on here? This is interesting. Yes, we're waiting for the plugins to load. It didn't finish loading plugins for some reason. Oh, that's interesting. I think maybe this is a deadlock of some kind. Let's have a look. Which one of these threads will it be? Is it this one? This one? Nope. I don't know. Let's just have a look at what's happening. Why would we suddenly be getting a deadlock? That looks like what's happening anyway. Okay, that was all fine. And oh, yeah, fine. And then it deadlocks in here for some reason. This is very interesting. It's some kind of threading issue. Oh. It must be related to that thing that I just changed with the manipulator targets. So it would be here probably. Why am I not doing anything with the result here? Oh yeah, I am, right here. I assume that's what's happening. It's deadlocking here for some reason. Oh, is it because of this? No. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Let's have a look. Ah, find. This is gonna deadlock. Right, yeah. Yeah, I can't do that. That doesn't make sense. What I need to do is... Of course. Because I'm holding a lock right now on this data structure. What's it called? I can't remember what the thing's called. Model. To model nt find, and then I can rewrite this in terms of that function. Should be able to. Yep. Still deadlocks. What else am I missing? Oh wait, I didn't update the call site, did I? There we go. There we go. Alright, let's see if manipulation works. It's not going to. Oh, what? There's a whole other bunch of other things that I didn't fix yet. Like, these are obviously not being initialized correctly. There's strings missing here. This doesn't look right. I forgot about all this. Yeah, I did see this already. This thing is not loading properly. So there's a whole bunch of stuff to fix. Okay. Alright. Fine. So first of all, the first thing I see is these parameters are being added in the wrong order. It should be amp, pan, pitch, and then this noise section. And also these noise parameters should not be active by default. So let's first of all look at the order of the buttons. No, let's look at the active by default thing. So let's have a look at, where should we look? Is active, I guess it's just going to return true. Somewhere I have that create param thing. Create param. Nope. Add param? Yes. Default active. I think is just returning the wrong value. Return true. 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 Just looking at this tree. How many parameters is it creating? It's just returning true for all of them. So I'm just getting the default flags and nothing is changing. And so it's defaulting to active. Why am I doing this? It should be default enabled, but not default active. It should only be default active if it's explicitly set to default active. So this sorting index should be oh, hold on. Oh, I actually am just adding them in the wrong order, because the sorting index comes from the order in which you add them. Okay, so that's why they're appearing in the wrong order. So it should be like that. Let me check this one as well. I guess it should be pitch FM waveform, pitch FM, and this one amp pan. Okay. Guess I should change the order of these sliders as well. And pitch, noise width, sample offset. node width. I suppose I should try to be consistent about this. Loop and reverse. What? Let me check the old build. See what order they're supposed to appear in. Loop and then reverse. Which is what I have. Okay. Okay. So these strings. Think mod selector add widget. Where are these strings coming from? Short name. Right. If there's no short name, then it should return the name, I guess. I think that's the logic that I had before. I lost it somehow. So okay, this is working, this is working. Ah, that's right. So, what's happening here, I wonder? I have no clue. Interesting stuff. It's extremely broken. Okay. Oh, look at all this. Okay. Hold on a second. Ah, right, okay. So there's a problem with, let's see, op. There must be a problem with these functions here that I have. What am I returning here? That's a Godot string, so I can't read it really. So let's have a look. What's going on here? Calling into this function, which brings us out to here. I'm not adding a null terminator. So you can tell I'm not a C programmer. So I have to implement these functions in a slightly C-like style. because it's a C API. Yeah, clearly I've done it wrong because I'm a stupid C++ programmer. I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to C. So this is apparently wrong, is it? Copy 7.1 dB. I'm copying that to this buffer. And I'm putting the null terminator in the wrong place, am I? So are you telling me what I'm supposed to do is I still want to put the null terminator at the end. Of the buffer, but I also want to put one here. Oh, I need to right. So it's n equals, it's going to be min of blink string max minus 1 and that n. That should work, I think. If any C programmers watch this, they'll be like, of course, you idiot. Aha! Okay, this doesn't do anything. The sliders don't do anything, but they look correct at least. And these values are coming through put correctly at least. This works. This works. Okay, why don't sliders work, I wonder? Weird. Okay. Interesting. So we have an envelope spec here with no toString function. This toString function should be mandatory, so this should be a bad function call, right? I'm trying to figure out in what context this could happen. There's no toString function for one of these envelopes. Let's have a look. Amp has a toString function, but pitch doesn't. Okay. Okay. So let's look at... should be in host temple. Pitch. toString, right here. I don't know why that's... Oh, wait a second. Oh, I see it. Okay. I'm not actually doing this at any point. I see. I wonder if I've made that same mistake anywhere else. Yes, I have. I can immediately see. Okay, probably a lot of these then. So I just need this line of code right here. In all of them. It's there. This one should be fine. This one I have no idea what I did. And here. Here. And that's it. Okay. I need to check what is including this file because it's surprisingly I don't like that. Why is this including it? It appears to be including it for no reason at all. So I could probably get rid of that. Yeah, I think that's what was causing the entire code base to recompile every time I changed that. Okay, so what are you complaining about? Something. Oh, right, it needs it for this. Okay. That's fine. Okay, so let's instead include this, which I think is all that's needed. Yes. This is a much lighter header and one that I'm not going to edit as often. Okay. Good. Alright, I'll have a look at this button next. Oh no, I want to look at why the sliders don't do anything. Okay. Okay, so I'm literally just going to go all the way up the call stack to the slider code. What would this even be? Is it called like blink spinner or something like that? Blink parameter spinner. Set slider value. Set slider value. This should be happening when I do this. Yeah. Okay. Wait, what? Hold on. Pitch is an easier test. So if I change the pitch to 1.
Well, I speak it all the time and I can understand.
Value 1. Okay, good. That much is correct. Hold on, maybe it is actually changing it audibly but not visually. I haven't actually tested the audio yet, but let's see what happens here. Oh, I have this envelope going on. Okay, that's working fine. So if I do this. Okay, interesting.
A long time since I've done that, huh? I'm not saying no. Well, I speak it all the time and I can understand.
So I think this is going to be happening. Yes.
Time since I've done that, huh? I'm not saying no. I'm a little rusty. Well, I speak it all the time and I can
Base data. Value 1. Wait, is it value 1? Yeah. So this should make it value 2.
A long time since I've done that, huh? I'm not saying no.
But it doesn't, it makes it 0.
Well, I speak it all the time and I can understand.
Huh?
You want me to do what? It's been a long time since I've done that, huh? I'm not saying no. It's just that
Why is the min such a weird number?
well, I speak it all the time and I can understand.
Oh, what is going on there? Okay, hold on.
A long time since I've done that, huh? I'm not saying no.
It's not enabled for a start.
Well, I speak it all the time and I can understand. A long time since I've done that, huh? I'm not saying no. I'm a little rusty. Well, I speak it all the time and I can understand.
I'm seeing two issues here. Let's have a look at the pitch slider.
A long time since I've done that, huh? speaks it all the time and I can understand him. Maybe you could help me with my life.
Whoa, hold on. I'm clearly not setting the min and max of this slider. I don't even have a way to do that. Oh, there isn't a min and max, right.
Time and I can understand him.
Yeah, that doesn't exist at this point. What exists is a constrain function, and then the min and max is generated from that.
A hi-hat that has so much to offer.
So let's start with the 251s. All jazz playing. Now, what are 251s?
A hi-hat that has so much to offer.
Two bass playing. All jazz playing.
No, I don't get it. This is weird.
So let's start with the 251s. All jazz playing. Now, what are 251s?
A hi-hat that has so much to offer.
I don't see what I've done wrong. Let's have a look.
Bass playing. All jazz playing.
There's not much room for problems here, to be honest. What could I... Oh.
So let's start with the 251s. All jazz playing.
Okay, well there's another problem, which is...
Now, what are 251s?
A hi-hat that has so much to offer.
They are essential to bass playing, to all jazz playing. So let's start with the 251s, all jazz playing. Now, what are 251s?
that didn't even happen at all.
They are essential to bass playing.
Oh wait, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Should be this one.
So let's start with the 251s, all jazz playing. Now, what are 251s?
A hi-hat that has so much to offer.
They are
Spec one.
essential to bass playing, to all jazz playing. So let's start with the 251s, all jazz playing. Now, what are 251s?
A hi-hat that has so much to offer.
They are essential to bass playing, to all jazz playing. So let's start with the 251s, all jazz playing. Now, what are 251s?
A hi-hat that has so much to offer.
Okay, ID 50 is what I'm looking for.
Essential to bass playing, to all jazz playing. So let's start with the 251s,
68, 9.
Now, what art proposing?
The hi-hat has so much to offer.
They are essential to bass playing. To
Not active. Oh right, yeah, because things aren't active by default anymore. I literally just changed that. Right. So the sliders are inactive,
Now, what art proposing?
which doesn't really make sense. So I should have like default behavior to activate sliders.
Essential.
Or non-envelopes and chords, I guess. Or I could add another flag saying I have an is mod param. Do I actually set this as mod param? Is mod param? I'm not setting that at any point, am I? So that's an issue. Oh right, it just does it like this, I see. Ah, okay, that's part of that, I see. Try to decide how I want to do this. Right, what I can do is, for options and sliders, I just set some default flags. So oh, that's I guess it would happen in here. Alright, if type is equal to param type option or default active and enabled. There we go. Why doesn't it like that? Undefined. Param flags default active. Well, it's only active that I care about, yeah. Still not happy, is it? Oh, because I need to... Alright, there we go. I have no reverse button for some reason. Why is there no reverse button? Reverse, 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 reverse. Reverse toggle. I'm not setting the flags, that's why. I wonder how many of these little bugs I have here. It will get ironed out eventually. Right, I still don't understand why everything is rebuilding. Oh, hold on, I didn't do this before, did I? Ah, host mod. Oh, right, this includes it. So why does this need that? It doesn't. I can see it doesn't. Right, there we go. Now, the entire project shouldn't rebuild. Okay, what's going on? Yeah, that's fine. I can have it here. Oh wait, this is the header. Wait. But the private, this header isn't included by much, is it? Oh. Only in some of these CPPs. Okay, so it's not too bad. Okay, now what? Param local index. I do also need to look at this. To find out why it's not populating. Excuse me? I assume that's what's going on here. It's the min-max macros. Yeah. I should honestly just add that as a global define. Oh, there we go. Right, this plugin selector, let's see what's going on. Plugin selector. I should have at least one. Oh, that's not what I'm looking for, it's the plugin button? What is it called? Blink header. Plugin selector. Hold on. Here we go, set. Right, I'm not getting these. It looks like the strings are just not coming through. So let's have a quick look at how that works because I can't remember. I think there's a function in each plugin that returns this. So this is the string. Get plugin info. Get plugin info. Okay, that's coming through. Classic. And then I write it to here. Oh, I didn't write this stuff. I guess. Plugin. Ah. I don't want this stuff actually. Yeah, I deliberately didn't write that stuff because I don't want this or this anymore because it's redundant. So get rid of that and that. This shouldn't exist in here. This stuff should be part of this. Which I think it already is. I can get the name of a plugin like that. I don't think I can get the version number. Version. There we go. Now the compiler will direct me to where I need to change things. Link. Just write it like this. Right, it really doesn't like.
Close your eyes and fall into the blue of me
Alright, good. That was a palaver. Right. Why is this font so big? Ah, that's appearing on a canvas layer, that's the reason. Let me fix that. Maybe not. What's that? It's not even used, right? I don't know why that font is all messed up. Oh, because I'm overriding it. For some reason. Oops. Okay. There we go. That's better. Right. Now I want to get to the good stuff, which is porting all the plugins. Why is this not okay? So let's add this. And oops, that was not intentional. This one. Okay, I now have Fudge and Burke. So these are going to fail to build for a million different reasons. Right, this is going to take a while. Actually, what I should do is create oh, for effects I have a template project, but not for the other ones. Okay. Alright, well let's basically just copy this. Not sure what I'm going to need here. Okay, have a quick look in these, but most of these can just be straight up deleted. So delete these. Yeah, I think everything is right. Everything else is right. Okay, so I'm happy to delete that. Right, so what I need to do here is set up the parameters for for Burke, and then refactor the DSP code a little bit, only a little bit. All right. Parameters. Yeah, let's quickly just have a look at. Let's quickly just define these functions like this. To-do. Alright, I'm going to open this. Wrong place. Synths. Okay, here's the parameters that that Burke needs. So let's do this. Okay, here we go. Here's the fun part. Blink. Add param. Envelope. How does this work? I pass the plugin. And I also need to be filling in this. Well, let's sort this out first. So, parameters, here we go. I've got envelopes and sliders and nothing else. Is it this? Params. There we go. But these might have stuff overridden, so let's have a look. It does, in fact. Okay. So the amplitude envelope is changed to set the default value to 0.5 and to activate it. Okay. So blink right param add flags. How do I get a hold of... How did I do this before? I can't remember. Ah, I haven't done anything like that yet. Okay, this is new. I have never overridden the amplitude. I'm kind of surprised that I haven't though. Should I not have done that for test as well? Test. I can't look at it because I've... Oops. Oh, I should have done that, but I missed it. Okay, I'll try and investigate that then. So I need to like get at the... I can't read, can I? Ah, that's interesting. Okay, I need to go to the toilet one sec. Yeah, let's figure this out. The point is I can't use this function now because I need to change something about the underlying envelope settings. So I'm going to need to construct this parameter from scratch. Or I could just simply add an interface to set the default value of a parameter envelope. Let me just investigate. What's required here? Alright, I understand what I need to do. I need to add something more. In fact, I think I had this and I decided that I didn't need it and I removed it, but let's put it back again. I need to add an interface for getting at the underlying envelope of an envelope parameter, and possibly I need to do that for the other parameter types as well. It's basically going to be get param env, which returns an env index. Okay. And then I implement that here. I probably already have. Yeah. Okay, so now that I have that, I can, if I go back to here, so this is the parameter index, and I can get the envelope index now by going blink. Oh, I need to create a little interface here as well. Okay, so get the underlying envelope of this parameter that I just created by doing this, and then I can change things about it using the interface that I already have. So I can go right. Oh no, I can't. No, I need to extend the interface basically. Oh no, I should have that already. Default value. Right end for default value. Oh, I just didn't create a binding for it. Is that the idea? Yeah. I'll try and keep things neat by making these namespaces. But I kind of want to make it clear at the call site what's happening, like in the plugin implementation. So having these namespaces sort of makes things a bit more readable, I think. How does Copilot know what I'm doing? That's creepy. It was almost right. This should be env index. So default default value. No. Right env default value. I need the index. Okay, there we go. So this interface is going to grow, I think, quite a bit. But now I can go like this to set it to 0.5. So that's all I wanted to achieve. Okay, I want to do something. I want to do pretty much the same on Burke here. Okay, next. Pan is fine. Pan, I just use the default. Okay, pitch. Add param in pitch. Buzz. Okay, back, params, pitch. Default active, and other than that, everything's the same. Buzz is a custom parameter, so it's going to be more interesting. This one. Okay, here we go. Program. What do we do? Name. Clamp range. -1 to 1. We want these flags. Oh. How do we do this again? Here we go. Okay, there we go. That's that. Except I also need to set the group for these. Oh, this was coming from a library. Because it's shared with the tracked effect. So how did this work previously? Tracked parameters. Okay, I need to refactor this stuff as well then. Which is fine. What was I doing here? Alright, I'm adding this include directory here, that's what I'm finding. Okay. Okay. So include, shared, tracked. How do I want to do this? Params maybe. So I'm going up a directory 1, 2 into the shared directory. Then I have more parameters defined here. Because these parameters are shared between 2 different plugins. So let's do this. Yeah, that should be fine, I think. I spelled it wrong. Alright, let's sort that out now, I guess. Come on, Visual Studio. You should know where it is. I guess I should add it. Call this position. Oh, that's the wrong one. Oopsie.
That's right.
Try and make this less confusing. Alright, let's have a look here. I also want to override this. Oh, that's not what I'm overriding. I'm overriding the envelope functions. So is there infins? Here we go. Infins. No? What have I done wrong? What? What's that file I was modifying a second ago? Back. What? I can't find it now. Wasn't I looking at this? What is this? I'm so confused. Wasn't I... What file did I modify? Common import. This one. I see. Move this into here. Okay. Get grid line. Takes an int, returns a float. This one returns an optional value though. Why does it do that? Ew, okay. I have to change this interface. To return Used to be returning an optional value. Like this. So I'm gonna have to change a bunch of stuff, but that's okay. No, that's wrong. Okay, something like that. When I do this. Oh, I already have that. Okay. Okay. That looks good to me. Don't trust that. All right, my oh, hold on. Okay. My eyes are starting to hurt. I'm not sure how long I've been working now. It must be. I've been recording for 3 hours, and I started recording at 12, and I started working like 2 hours before that. So I guess I've been working for 5 hours. That's why my eyes are hurting. So I'm gonna have to have a break.